Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. Information and analytical service is with you System.Guru.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study every parameter of the company in question in detail. Now we will look at the main indicators of the corporation Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT. The review was created based on current information at the time, March 30th, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets organization, Microsoft Corporation belongs to the subcategory soft development. 14 companies take part in the analysis. This is more or less representative. We'll see the order table at the end of the video. Total result for the company under study, 5.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 5 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market in its entirety, we can note that the average result for the market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a score of 5.5 points for Microsoft Corporation. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Microsoft Corporation, and subcategory companies, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares Microsoft Corporation showed a dynamics of minus 10.2%. Against price changes in the subcategory minus 1%. This does not say anything definitively, but we must keep this fact in mind. Market capitalization of the corporation Microsoft Corporation is $2,815.68 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $3,044 billion. Microsoft Corporation accounts for a share of 92.489%. This is the main leader of the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $302.57 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $318 billion. Microsoft Corporation accounts for 95.22% share. Having made a comparison of the shares of the exchange and book value, we can see the following. Share Microsoft Corporation in the subcategory in the case of assessing the exchange value is 92.489%. Balance sheet capitalization is 95.22%. This is a 3% increase in market capitalization share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The debt obligations of the company under study amount to $102.863 billion. Debt to book capitalization represents 34% of the company's capital. Result on the company's financial obligations, good, 1 point. The balance of the company's market value to its profit corresponds to 30.4. The subcategory average is 32, which is 5% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of stock market value to profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months amounted to $92,740 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are tentatively expected to be $108,116 million. And this is 16.6% more than at the current moment. Assessment of the predicted future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue balance is 10.8. The average in the subcategory is 10.7, which is 1% higher than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market price to its revenue in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, tolerable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months amounted to $261,770. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $305,180 million. This is 17% more than currently. Assessment of the estimated future sales indicator in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 35.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 33.3%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 2.1%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 67.378%. This is 37% less than the share of market capitalization. And this reflects the imbalance of the current exchange value of the organization Microsoft Corporation, probably towards revaluation. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $12,351,000. And in the subcategory, $8,998,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's indicators is 37.3%. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, tolerable, 0 points. The amount of profit per company employee is $406,800, with an average for the subcategory of $281,300. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 45%. Assessment of profit per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales volume for each employee of the organization is $1,148,000. By subcategory, $844,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 36%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Shares are short 0.9%, with a subcategory average of 1.1%. This is the valuation of a short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 37% for the company Microsoft Corporation. In the subcategory, this level is approximately 37%. Potentially, securities of the subcategory are quoted approximately the same as shares Microsoft Corporation. The current valuation of the company's shares is approximately $379. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $505. The difference between the actual estimate and the consensus estimate is approximately 33%. Let's look at the table of orders. It is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely everything in this season decisions by the stock valuation information system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Microsoft Corporation. Share valuation information system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open an order, as this video is an overview. Thank you very much to the audience for watching this video and for using the help system GURU.Markets.